In this case, I want to show my chilaquiles that my mom made me in the weekend. Um, the steps for to prepare the chilaquiles are very simple. You need to buy a kilogram of tortillas and 4 and 5 tomatoes and 2 or 1 chilies. And the first steps, you need to put water in the fire. When the water is boiling, you need to put the mixture in the pressure. And the other steps is you need to cut the tortillas in pieces. When these steps are finished, you need to put the mixture in the stove again, and after you need to add cheese that you want. It's very simple. These steps for to prepare chilaquiles are very delicious and very hot. Um, it's a good food for me. I like it. That's all. Thank you so much.